In this question, you have to match the components given under column 1 with that of column 2. Now, during proliferative phase, the follicles start developing, hence it is called follicular phase. Thus, A matches with 2. Now, secretory phase is also called as luteal phase, and it is mainly controlled by progesterone, which is secreted by the corpus luteum, and estrogen further thickens the endometrium, which is maintained by progesterone. Thus, B matches with 3. Menstruation occurs due to decline in progesterone level, and it involves the breakdown of the endometrial lining. Thus, C matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option D.